So after this, uh, we would add a call to action button. So for the discovery call, so let's add another section. So click add a container, and for this we are going to use the one column. And to save time, you can clone any element or any container, and you can drag here in this. So we are going to add head title, but to save time we can clone a title above and can drag it in this section. So let's see how we can do it. So this is a title, we just need to clone it. Click clone element, you can see it is copied. So just here you can see the drag element options. Click here and drag this element into this. Here you can see, now just change your text. Also we are going to clone the separator as well. So just clone this, and the same way drag here, and after this you can see. So as you can see, uh, here we will change content here. So still confused, let's change its alignment. And okay, so still confused, we'll add text block here. Add text block, click text. Here we'll still confused, and we'll add text. Let's have a discovery call with our experts. So double click here, we'll make it center aligned, and in design tab we'll make it 20. Okay, that's look good. And letter spacing 1. Okay, let's preview it. Okay, it's need margin and padding setting, so I'll do it later. So after this we'll add a button here. So we can clone this button as well. Just click here and clone element. Now just drag this one and put it here, and delete this one. You can save a lot of time by cloning an element. If you are using the same element again and again, you can clone and use it and just edit its text. So click here, and I'll just take change of this only. Click here. Okay, let's, so a little bit now change the little bit top padding. Will apply top padding to this section. Click here, and in the design you can set margin 50. Okay, let's preview again. Okay, we'll 10. Okay, okay, now you can see, yeah, you can use this thing as well. After this we are going to add a carousel, image carousel. So in this, using this section, you can show to whom you have worked, and also other things related to your company. So let's add it. We will add a new container. Click here for this, and yeah, we can use also clone this container as well. So if you click on this clone container, here you can see, just remove this one and put your content like okay, that's great. Add another content we have, and okay, it saved a lot of time by cloning this. So after this, let's add another container, and we'll add image carousel here. At the left hand side, you can add image and items of your design. So by, as you can see, add image under this item setting, click the pencil icon to edit this. So we will add images here. So let's start from this. I have already taken these images, so to save time, so as you can see, from this we can add images or clone this one. So I'll add images here, 1 2 3 4 5. So let's add one by one. Add image in the carousel, come back, edit item, add image. So to save time, I have already downloaded these things. Click this one, add image, go back, and again click this one, add image. So add another one. So, as you can see, carousel is made. We can use this one to make it forward or backward, and let's add other images quickly to save time. Again, click here, add image, click here, image here, and let's have a last image. So click here, choose image, and here we go. So this section is also completed, as you can see. So click a pencil button at the container option, click here, and in background, let's change its background as well. Let's preview how it looks like. So as you can see, it's look good. So let's add a little bit padding. 10, 20. Let's see, and -20 if we put at the bottom. Let's look. Okay, so let's add padding to all the right, bottom, and left. It's 15, 15, 15. So let's look. Okay, it's look good now. So another section is added as well. So let's add a little bit margin in this section. 50 margin is there, and I'll change it to 60. Click save. and here you can see another section is added as well. So as you can see, we have added different section in this home page. You can design according to your needs, according to your design as well. So just keep around and make changes to know about Avada themes. So you can see an stunning website is built. So it was all about our home page. We have created our home page. Now I think you are all able to create another page like about us, services page, and the contact pages and other pages of your that you need. So I think this was all about the water themes. So after going all these videos, you are able now to create a stunning website and professional website with Avada theme. So go around and use Avada theme and different options to make you expert in Avada themes. Hope you have enjoyed all these videos, and keep watching my YouTube channel for updated videos. Thank you very much.